Hello everyone, this is the technical introduction video of weapon Katanadecoder. The model I'm gonna show you is HU66 Generation 2. First of all, let's just do a quick warm-up. Try to open this lock quickly. And after that, we talk more details about how to use the tool in the right way. Now let's get started. Firstly, we need a test key to get the right orientation. Now we insert the tool and take out the blades. Apply tension, turn the knob, do it again, turn the knob. Okay, it's so quick to open it. It's not hard to do. Let's take out the tool. Okay, now the warm-up is done. Let's open the package and see what's inside. This is the decoder. This is the reset tool. Every time before you insert your tool into the lock, it is necessary to reset all pins to start position by the reset tool. Okay. And let's put it back. This is the test key to find out the correct orientation to insert the tool, and there are two indications, 1 and 2. With these two indications, it can help us judge whether the lock is Generation 1 or Generation 2. Let's try this lock. Insert. Make sure your test key fully inserted. So let's switch another side. Now fully inserted, and the key stop at 1. That means this lock should be HU66 Generation 1. And let's try this lock. Insert. Okay, now it's fully inserted, and the key stop at 2. So this lock definitely should be HU66 Generation 2. Okay, let's put it back. And what's more, there are two blades. There are two plates. So if you are unlucky, your tool stuck in the lock, these two plates will help you get your tool out of the lock smoothly. Okay, that's all. Let's start to open the lock. Firstly, we need to check the pins. Now the pins, they are prepared. All of them are at start position. And then we need to find out the right orientation to insert the tool into the lock. We use the test key. We insert the test key. Make sure the test key fully inserted. Okay. On this side, the test key fully inserted. I'll take it out. And there is an arrow mark on the key. You can see it. We need to keep the text side of the tool same with the arrow side. So we're gonna insert the tool like this. And before we insert, we need to push the blade as much as you can and hold like this. Okay, we insert the tool lightly and slowly and fully. Make sure your tool fully inserted, and then take out the blade as much as you can. Now your tool is ready. We apply tension now. Grab the shear like this and turn it down. You don't need too much force. Just calm down and hold the shear like this and turn it down so that you can apply tension easily and comfortably. There is a question: how much force do we need to apply tension? You know, most of the Volkswagen locks have rotating point, and let me show you. You see, you can turn the lock easily. So if you apply too much force, you're gonna rotate the lock. So the force that we need, I think, is just less. It's just less than rotating point. That will be fine. Okay, let's continue. Apply tension and turn the knob. There are two numbers. The numbers means the knob rotating degree, and of course the knob will rotate from 0 degree. And each rotating of the knob, in my opinion, with a better increase 5 degree. Okay. Turn left side, turn the knob and increase 5 degree. And again, we increase 5 degree more, and we continue to repeat. Okay, the lock is open. Easy to do. And push the plate, push it as much as you can, and take out the tool. Let's check the pins. If you are a locksmith, I believe that you can read them. 1-1, 2-1, 1-2, 2-1. With the combination of these codes, so you can make a new key.